Now that you've gotten a little bit more comfortable with Salesforce, you might want to learn how to get around the system a little bit quicker. So here are some navigational tips and tricks for you, in case you haven't already discovered them yourself by clicking around. As you've heard us emphasize over and over, and I'm going to emphasize again, you always want to use the search bar at the top for everything before you create something new. So, for example, I would like to find the University of North Carolina. I typed in UNC. I don't see UNC as an account. Well, I see that they have an opportunity, so there must be an account for UNC, but I don't get it. Why can't I see it here? I could go and adjust my search so that I spell out University, North Carolina, or just the word Carolina, etc., to try and adjust the results that I'm seeing here. But if I hover over this opportunity, if you notice, this box popped up on the right-hand side that's details about this opportunity. One of the things I can see right here is the account name. Notice it's a blue link. If I click on this, it'll take me to that account. I can also hover over any of these related quick links to get more details. So if I'm specifically looking for a person to contact at UNC, I can hover over to this and get to this person to click on their name. If I click on this, it'll take me to their contact. So anything that's a blue text, you can interact with, you can hover over to get additional information. You see down here, there's two things in the history, so you can see the list grows as long as there are more things. Picking on Peloton because I know that they have a few things. So if I go to their account, I can see they have 10 plus affiliated contacts. So if I click on this, I see the first 10 and I can click view all. That'll take me to a list of all the Peloton contacts. Or the same with their opportunities. They have more than 10 opportunities. So here's the top 10 and it's currently sorted by close date. Always look for that arrow as a hint, or I can view all. I can always click on any blue text to jump to that individual opportunity. The other thing to keep in mind is you have your related quick links at the top, as well as your quick actions down the right-hand side. So I can go to an individual contact here. If I'm on their account, I can go to the account itself. It also shows me other potentially relevant opportunities, or the two next most relevant, I should say, opportunities. In this case, we know that there are 10. And I can jump around from blue link to blue link to get through things the quickest way possible. And as a fun shortcut, if you are trying to create a new opportunity for a new account with a new contact, you might feel like, oh my gosh, that's 3 separate windows and 3 separate places. Well, a fun tidbit, if I'm creating a new opportunity and I want to type in the account and I'm looking for whatever, John Bon Jovi, I can't find it on here. And I'm going to check and make sure it's not a spelling thing. Bon, no, Jovi. Okay, I'm not finding it, so I'm fairly confident it's a new account. See this little button down here? I can click new account. When I click on new account, it'll open a new window that allows me to fill out as if I was on that account page and enter everything I needed. The same is true on contacts. I don't have John Bon Jovi if I create a new contact. The one thing to keep in mind is if you're entering a donation, meaning an institutional donor opportunity or an individual donor opportunity, you do not want to create an account. So in this instance, let's say John Bon Jovi is our latest donor and he is donating personally from his account. You will create John Bon Jovi as a contact, and then John Bon Jovi household will automatically be created as an account. So I would be able to select the contact, and I'll just pick on John McPhee here instead of actually creating, and then find the John McPhee household over here to make sure that it's in the right account. So when you're creating a new contact, don't create their household. That's automatically created for you.